Hi, I'm Angela with YourGlutenFreeLife.com. I'm here to show you how to roast bell peppers. First thing you're going to do is cut the top off about 1/2 inch and the bottom. Next thing is take the stem and just break that off, popping it through. You can use your finger to push it out a little bit if it needs a little help. And then we're going to stick our fingers into the seeds and just give it a little turn and a little pull, and that just pulls them out nice and clean. Take your knife and slice through one side of the pepper, and this allows us to lay it out flat. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Alright, the next thing we're going to do is take your olive oil and just rub it on there. If you have a sprayer, this works wonderful. Go ahead and just spray that on there on both sides. We're going to be roasting this in the oven on broil. Make sure your oven rack is at the top position and that you turn it on low. We don't want to be using the high temperature for this. And that'll roast it up nice and beautiful for any of your dishes that you could be putting into. It adds a lot of color and a lot of flavor. So now we're ready to roast it. This is what you're going to be looking for. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes. You're going to flip it once and it is nice and tender. Thanks for joining us today at YourGlutenFreeLife.com. I'm Angela and I'll catch you next time.